Hi, my name is Kirk Lanciani, and I'm going to start by showing you some of the things about our submission for IMGD3XXX. The game we created for this class is called MineMaze. It's a twist on the classic Minesweeper game. So I'm going to show you the basics of the game first. Basically, the game is a twist on the classic game of Minesweeper with a couple of additions to it. You start out by choosing one of the three levels we built into it. I'll choose level 2, or no, I'll start out with level 1. So as you can see here, we can see a partial corner of the grid with the player character, a little bomb sweeping robot on it. The goal is to move around the grid, find buried treasure, and not step on any mines. So the way we do that is using the custom Arduino controller. We use this joystick to move the robot around on screen. Now, the special feature we built into this game for using alternative input is that in order to detect mines and treasures in the game, you hold the stick down and the Arduino will beep and flash its lights to indicate what's around you. It'll beep the number of times to represent the number of mines around you, and it'll flash the number of lights to indicate the number of treasures around you. In this case, there's one mine in one of these 8 squares around me, so I'll hold down the sensor button. And it's giving a single beep repeatedly to indicate that there's one mine around us. So we'll have to try to navigate our way around.
If I had an identical twin, I would make sure that it worked exactly like it all times.
You could switch off.
Now you can see there's 2 mines around us.
At a certain point, you'd be so unqualified.
Every now and then you'd wear something different.
So it's beeping twice. Now let's go around and find a bit of treasure. Okay, now in this case there's 1 mine and 1 treasure around us. So now it'll beep once and one of these lights will flash.
You good at crashing?
So now we have to locate the treasure by moving around and finding it. No, I went away from it. Okay, the light is beeping, but the light is flashing, but there's no beep, so there must be 1 treasure around. So I'll use one of these other buttons to try and dig it up. Okay, it's not there. Let's try moving back down here. So, there it was. We found the treasure. And as you can see, I'm obviously using the text on the screen for demonstration purposes. But the purpose of this game would be if this were published and distributed to end users, this would be removed, and they would rely on using the beeps and the flashing lights to detect things in their surroundings, similar to the way a real Minesweeper would work. So now the goal of each level is to find all the treasure and not step on the mines. Just to show you what happens, let's find a mine and step on it. Okay, now there's a lot in our area, so our next step will probably kill us. As you can see, our robot has been obliterated.